Note to note. We're Paul Allen's the one that built that museum. He saw it out in Seattle. Jimmy Henry, right? They're like, hold on next year. He has about 4 months, so. Very much. I want your wardrobe. I'm going to sell all those nice dresses. Got that? Yeah. Howdy, pirates! Hey, pirates! Captain Blackbeard! Captain Jack Sparrow! Yes! SBB rum.
Hey Pat, remember when you were like 12 on that boat like that? The Pirates? Mexico. Hey Pat, this is a word you filled with. Watch what we're going to take up.
That must be fun to go around.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Been there forever and ever.
Yeah, I have to show my kids. I've never seen that.
They'll have their way with you.
Look at the guy was out looking out on the front.
He should be up in the crow's nest.
Oh, the wind is on you. I've never seen this here.
Even the helicopters up there taking pictures, see?
George Washington Bridge and the
They don't look
background.
like pirates.
Ask them where they're going. What are they here?
They're looking for buried treasure.
Guys, hello. Beep, 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 beep.
The women are all tied up below.
Oh. It was a very...
Who wants to take pictures of the pirate ship?
Right here! Jesse, take some pictures!
Hey, Mikey! Hey, Mikey! It's a pirate. Captain Dave is on the ship. He'll take your women and children.
What is this?
These masks are just for show. We've got a very nice motor.
Yeah. It's not, there's no wind on this ship. There's no sails. Hey, they don't even have a pirate.
Wow, that's a beautiful ship.
It is.
Wow.
Everybody on it.
It's a pirate ship.
That pirate. Hey Patrick, remember that pirate ship in Mexico? Looks just like this.
Yeah. That's pretty cool.
Also, they're bringing it up from Delaware?
Right. Approach ramming speed.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. The minute that they told me to climb up turbulence, you're on there doing it.
We don't have a big
Ask
round
them
thing
where
like
they're
that.
going. They're going into New York.
We don't have the big round thing.
Hey Patrick, figure it out. There's no sales up and they're beating us on the speed.
This is one of Columbus issue. This is the Mongo Santa
No sales.
Hey, you have your cat, your phone. Take a picture of South China and ask her. She remembers
Oh, the pirate
The
ship,
pirate
yeah.
ship, yeah. Like she loves the pirate. Mexico.
What's the pictures on the side?
There's cannon. They have cannons.
Cannon?
Yeah.
Get out of here.
Yeah. Right there.
Oh my God, take a picture. Pat, take a picture for Shannon.
They're like
Oh, it used to be.
They got a living here. Yes, I always go to the trip.
Hey Patrick, look at this. The plane, the Mexican plane.
I'll give it to a person.
hey, women,
Put it on the safety pin.
maybe the car.
Yeah, like the rhino car.
Hello, Flopper.
Also, it's a ear exam.
What is that, a pirate ship? It looks like.
Now,
Hey guys, look at this.
it's on.
Oh, look at that. Okay.
Have fun.
There's actually
Yeah.
Dave used to drop his hair out the window and the young girls would climb up.
that was at Yale University in 1990.
That's how you met. Okay.
I never realized that people go ahead and my power.
Whatever happened to him?
He kind of
Faded?
lost his
Oh,
voice.
voice. Okay.
So his band still tours.
Okay.
There was a guy who won The Voice or American Idol who does a great impression of him.
Right.
He hired that guy to front the band.
Uh-huh.
And they tour, and Meatloaf comes out and introduces everybody and tells stories, but the guy that performs the music
Uh-huh.
and Meatloaf's band is the band.
Right, right. Wow.
So that's what he does. He was always, in a way, more of an actor than a musician, but because he got real successful so real quickly,
Uh-huh. As an actor.
his first record sold so many copies.
Right, right.
He wasn't expecting that.
Oh, okay.
And so, well, that's a boat.
Party boat.
We always have a show here in Bergen County.
You do? Where?
It's over there, yeah.
Bergen County,
Ramsey? Yes, no, Ramsey.
Yeah, Dad's
Oh, well, let us know. Hey, Dad, let us know.
Yeah. Ah, no, September 7th. It's still that.
Steely Dan, where at? Linden? Okay.
Let's go.
Are you gonna play?
We're gonna play.
All right, we're gonna watch it.
Oh, cool. Now I'm nervous.
Now we have the big 5 camera.
What am I gonna wear?
I want to be in the front. The crazy. I have to be in the background.
How old were you when when you first started playing?
How old? 5.
5.
Yeah.
Really?
That's too old.
Not guitar though. I played piano when I was 5.
Oh, okay.
And then I switched to drums
Okay.
in high school. And when I went to college, I figured I can't play drums in a dorm room. So I bought a shitty electric guitar, took the neck off it so it would fit in the suitcase.
Uh-huh.
And when I got to school, I put it back together. And that's ruined my life.
How old were you when you first had your first concert?
My first,
Concert. Serious concert. 500 more.
probably around 30.
Okay.
Because I spent a lot of time playing in local bands.
Uh-huh.
So when I first got with like a famous band playing at a concert,
Which one was this?
Blood, Sweat and Tears, 1985.
1985. Where was this?
Syracuse University.
Syracuse. Nice. I'm putting you on YouTube.
Oh, good. I'm already there.
Okay, I know you were. Oh, you look. By the way, you know I think men get better as they get older. Seriously, they look good. Men.
See that, honey? I told you.
Men, they look better.
Did they ever come out with his cause of death? I know he had
No.
throat cancer for years ago.
No.
No.
He had
Even Tony Watts said that's a turn.
I would think they
But
know.
nobody was bothered.
That's a curse.
Yeah.
Nobody wants that. You might think you want that. You don't want that.
No.
You want to go to the supermarket without
Somebody's staring at you. Not more VIP. That is amazing. 2 weeks ago. It was fun. You could park the lot right next to this.